Hello everyone, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ, and I'm very excited to introduce the latest fixture from the Focus series. Allow me to introduce the Focus Profile. Never before has ADJ gone this far in terms of output and feature sets and just a general all-around workhorse of a fixture. And I'm super excited, so let's go over some of those features right now. So now let's talk about what makes this thing so bright. First, we start off with a 400 watt 6700 Kelvin white LED engine, producing over 20,000 lumens. Now to match that, we've also included a CRI filter on the color wheel that will help you get a CRI as high as 87, which is very desirable for theatrical performances or illuminating front faces. Now let's talk about projection. This fixture has a 7 to 45 degree motorized zoom, which, as we've talked about before, that can go for a very narrow beamy type effect to a very wide wash. In addition to that, we've included a 4-blade rotating framing system. That's right, this is the first fixture from ADJ to offer a full framing system. So that will allow you to highlight certain parts on stage, be able to do cutoffs where you need, and again, it will rotate plus or minus 60 degrees. We've got that built in, and the entire shape can rotate as well if you're using the blades to create a shape. And it wouldn't be a profile if it didn't have CMY color mixing. So of course, you have full CMY color mixing on this unit, as well as variable CTO, which is going to allow you to do different color temperature of whites to be able to mix with the white balance of whomever is filming the event and be able to get the perfect white on stage. In addition to that, we offer a 6-position color wheel that also includes a CRI filter and a CTB as well. And the Focus Profile also features 8 static non-rotating GOBOs and 7 rotating replaceable GOBOs. And we really packed the GOBO wheels on this with very nice breakups and very well-defined images that you can use on virtually any application. We also packed the effects engine in on this unit very, very well. You have a 3-facet circular prism, a 6-facet linear prism, you have a motorized iris, as well as a bi-directional rotating animation wheel. All of these units combined are going to give you a very, very robust, high-powered effects engine. Let's talk about some of the hardware on the Focus Profile. Now, first off, it's coming in at approximately 63 pounds, which is surprisingly light when you compare it to other fixtures with similar feature sets. Now, let's talk about control. On the back, you have 3 and 5-pin DMX in and through. You also have RJ45 in and through. When it comes to power, you have a locking IP65 power in and through as well. On the front, you're going to have a 6-button full-color touchscreen display, which lets you read everything that you need on the menu, which is quite helpful if you're using any of the manual features or anything of that nature. You also have a USB port, which makes updating future firmware files super, super easy and quick. You're also going to have pan and tilt locking mechanisms, which will make loading this in and out of your road case very simple and much, much safer, to be honest. So again, guys, this is Mike Turner. This is the Focus Profile. We're very excited to introduce this to you guys. Please feel free to reach out, www.adj.com.